Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Discord mic not working. So first of all, just head on over to Discord, go into settings and then click on voice and video. Over here make sure you have selected the right input device and make sure your output volume is not set to 0. Once you do that, you can try using your mic from here. Just click on the let's check button and if you can see the bar going up and down, it's working. Now over here you should toggle this one off, automatically determine input sensitivity, and then just set it a little low and make sure your mic is not set to push to talk, it is set to voice activity. Once you have done these settings, go on to your taskbar, then right click on the volume button, click on open volume or open sound settings. Now click on sound control panel. Now over here go to recording. Now over here make sure your mic is working, which you can check by the bar going up and down. If it isn't working, right click on it, then right click on it and click on enable to enable it back on.